Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and today I want to talk about this amazing battery that I have here. This is from the Cobalt series. This is the Cobalt 40 volt battery. It is lithium. It goes with the Cobalt family. For this particular battery, there are 24 different units that you can use it for. I personally bought it for my lawnmower as a secondary battery. So this one here does not have the charger. You can buy one with it, but I already had one, so I wanted a secondary one. It lasts up to 40 minutes depending on which equipment you're going to use it on, but that's the lifespan that I have for my lawnmower. This is great too because there is no memory loss at all after you have charged it. There's no fading power. It's compatible, as I said, with any of the Cobalt 40 Max team. And the fuel gauge provides an easy check on available power level as well. Initial no load voltage when fully charged, it peaks at 40 volts. So you're gonna get your full power on this using it, and I have had no problems with this. I've had my lawnmower for at least 3 years now with a secondary battery, and these things have been amazing. They last too as long as they're supposed to, and I've had no problems, and I have not even had to buy any more since then. That's just my point of view.